Hello, another quick unboxing, another quick look at this. Good timing, it's a fan. For those of you in the UK, yeah, we're in the middle of a heat wave. I say heat wave, it's 24 degrees today, which in some countries isn't too bad, but here in the UK that's the heat wave. So I bought this. The Dyson Purifier, cool. Captures ultrafine dust and allergens, removes 99.95% of particles as small as 0.1 microns. Handy. Yeah, does it cool me down? That's the main thing. I hear a lot of people saying that as a fan it's not that good and that a simple fan is better. We shall see. What else is on the box? I don't know which way's up because everything seems to be randomly positioned on the box. I mean, this way looks up to me. So what does it have? Let's have a look. Auto AQ. 24-hour review. So it monitors the air temperature, or the air quality in the room that it's in. Move that a bit closer. Monitors the PM 2.5 levels. That's particle matter. That is 2.5 microns in size, I think, and PM 10 particle matter again, which is 10 microns in size. So I don't really know the difference. NO2 levels. What's that? Carbon dioxide? Didn't pay attention in chemistry. VOC level and filter life report. Filters, you replace a filter in this I think they say every year, and they're about £60 each, so not too bad. Right, enough of the boring stuff. Let's open this bad boy up. So what have we got in this box? Let's start with the little boxes first, shall we? Remote. And you see it's got a slight angle on top. Or on the bottom, whichever way around you're looking. That's so it can sit on the curved top of the fan. And it's got a magnetic attachment, so it just sits there, so you never lose it. Unless you don't put it there, of course. What's this? Register the machine. I bought direct from Dyson, so it automatically registers it when you buy it, so you don't need to do that. So remote amplifier loop, that's the actual fan where the blades of a normal fan would be. Power button, LCD screen, filters, shroud, whatever a shroud is. I'm guessing that's the case that goes around the filter. Tips for best placement: don't place it near a radiator or an open window or next to a door, but you can put it in front of a door. I'm not sure, that's a great tip. Who'd want to put it in front of a door? What if someone opens the door? Begin by fitting your filters, turn on the machine, activate auto mode, connect your machine. So you can use the Dyson Link app to control it. Well, you can do anyway. I guess you can use the remote or the app. Let's get it out. Nice. It's very light. You know what the plastic reminds me of? It reminds me of the Dyson Hoovers. Sorry, not Dyson Hoovers. Dyson vacuum cleaners. Oh, that rotates a lot. 350 degrees of rotation apparently. I probably shouldn't be turning it about the power on. I should stop that now. Right, let's fit the filters. So what do we have here? We just have some tape that we probably need to undo. It's very light. Hope that no one knocks it over. Take that tape off. More tape here. How do we open it? These just come off, do they? Okay. Okay. So, what have we got in the box? So, this is a Hepa filter. This is what purifies. Let's get the other one out quickly. So these go in there. This part is made of recycled material. Good to know. Which way is it up? Is there an up? It's not making it clear, I don't think. So I'm going to assume there is no up. I'm going to do it so the writing's facing up. Let's see if this just goes in. That sounded promising. Yeah, so you can see the notches here. What's that do? So that this releases the filters. Push that down, it releases them. So yeah, according to the instructions, you just pop it on until it clicks. I assume it doesn't matter which side. Let's try this one on the other side. Actually, I don't know what side this went on actually. Must be this way around. That's not on. Let's try this one first. It doesn't look like there's a top or a bottom. Okay. Okay. So it just pushes in until it clicks. Yeah, fair enough. Not too bad. Right. This is the front. I take it we should take this sticky label off. Hopefully it peels off nicely. If I can get it off, that is. Dyson air multiplier. Right, let's plug it in and see what happens. Right, here it is plugged in. Let's press the power button. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, 10 already. That's too high. Let's turn that down. See how noisy that is? Let's put it right down. Gentle breeze. So it's not doing anything. It's not turning, but it is cooling. Air quality. That's what AQ stands for. So the AQ is, oh, it's green. Very good air quality in here, which is reassuring, I suppose. I guess it means I don't really need a purifier. But well, can't send it back now. Let's try oscillating it. 90 degrees. Ooh. Is that it? Why does it stop moving? Try it again. There it goes. Well, that seems like more than 90 degrees, doesn't it? Here it comes. Ah, that's 90 degrees, I guess. I'm just not facing it. Right, what else can it do? I guess I need to turn it around now so you can see the screen. Right, what you'll notice at the bottom, it has a little Dyson branding there. So make sure that is the front. So that helps you. You need to know which way is the front. Let's turn off oscillation so we can see the screen. Now how do we, can you just move it by hand? Yeah, you can. Right. auto. You press auto, it says it's auto, but it doesn't say what it's doing or what it's trying to achieve. The fan has increased a bit. What if I press I for info? So that gives a 24-hour history, I guess, of the air quality. Obviously nothing there at the moment. PM 2.5 levels are good. PM 10 levels are good. VOC levels, is that from exhausts? They're good. Oh no, these are the exhaust ones. They're good. And it's 22 degrees in there, in here, quite hot. And then you press I again. Humidity, I suppose that is. This isn't a humidifier, but it does show the humidity in the room. 55%. I don't know whether that's good or bad. Sounds average. Filter level is full. And then you're back here. Night mode. So this is the remote. See the night mode? You got a little moon. Press that and it dims the screen. That's quite handy. Hasn't really quietened it down anymore. I guess you just do it manually. Let's turn it right down on 1. Can hear it, but not too bad. Let's put it on 5. Average. Quite noisy. And you can feel it, but to be honest, I've got a cheap bladed one upstairs. It's probably not as powerful. Obviously it looks a lot nicer. It's a nice breeze. Right, what else can you do? Let's have a look at the app. So it's found it. Didn't need to press anything on the fan, that's good. I like a hassle-free setup. So we found these Dyson machines. Dyson Purifier Cool. Tap that. Hold your device next to your machine's display. Now press the power button on your machine. Pairing. It's quite clever. Got Sonos vibes to it. Very smooth setup, unlike Google Home on the odd occasion. Machine paired, continue setup. Connect to the Wi-Fi, enter my password. Confirm a connection. This will take a moment. While we connect, you can learn how the Dyson Link app complements your machine. Total control, activate, schedule and monitor your machine home or away. Intelligent sensors, yeah, we've seen a little bit of that. Targeted airflow, you can customize your machine's oscillation pattern. I mean, that's not that exciting. Connecting machine still. While we're waiting, oh, there we go. Machine connected. Continue. Where is it? It's in the living room. Confirm. When did you purchase it? Let's say today. So, new update. Oh, firmware updates. Yeah. Love an update. Does it have one? Vertical scroll. Swipe up and down to discover more. Oh, okay. So you basically get the same information but on a fancier screen. Instead of on that little LCD screen, you can see it from your phone. Let's turn it up. Let's oscillate. Oscillation 45 degrees off 90, 100. So you can, oh yeah, up to 350 degrees. So it really can turn. Auto mode. Did it say what auto mode does? No, it just doesn't say exactly what its target is, but it just does something automatically. Airflow direction. Oh. So I think what this does, airflow direction actually stops the fan from blowing out. It diffuses it out of the side, like you can see on the screen there. So that's useful if you want to purify your room, but you don't want the fan. So it's a cold day, but you still want the purifier on. I'm guessing that's what that's for. It doesn't make it clear in the app, but 99% sure that's what that is for. Right, well that's about it really. £500 this cost. It's going to be hard to know whether that's worth it for the first, well it'll take a good couple of weeks I think. And then £500 and then the Hepa Filter, each time you change that, £60. It's supposed to be 20% quieter than the previous model. I didn't have the previous model, so I wouldn't know. And this one also, I think Dyson finally now work with Google Assistant. So how do we add it to Google Assistant? Should we see? Well, actually, we need to do the update first. Voice control. No, that's all about Alexa. So let's see, machine settings. We need to force an update. There must be a way to do it. Maybe you can only do it automatically. Let's have a look in the Google Home app, see if I can find the device. Set up device, works with Google, Dyson, link, authorize. Could not reach Dyson, please try again. So strange. I know there are some internet issues today. Something to do with the Fastly CDN. I wonder if that's related. Should see if the Dyson website's working actually. Oh, it looks like it is. Let's try one more time. So now let's link it to Google Home. Works with Google, Dyson, link. Continue with my saved password. Authorize. Could not reach Dyson, please try again. So something is up with that. Maybe I'll do a little, well, there's no point doing an update really for that. All it will mean is you can control your Dyson with your voice. So you can tell it to turn on, turn up, turn down, turn off. I'm not sure about oscillate. Right, where's the remote? Let's stop the oscillation. By pressing that. Let's stop the screen recording. So here's the device, let's have a close look. I wonder how loud that fan noise is for you. So, I mean, it's hard to tell. This is where the remote goes. See, it locks into place there. Quite handy. So you will always know where it is, assuming you put it there. What else is there to know? Well, it's just over 1 metre tall, 105 centimetres. Let's compare it to that's around. I wonder if this is a coincidence. It looks like it's exactly the same height. Oh no, it's not. So here's the V, what is this, V10? It's a little bit taller than a V10. Any questions, let me know.